Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that completely redefines the meaning of luxury on wheels. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, an ultra-luxury rolling mansion that looks less like a vehicle and more like a high-end designer home carefully placed on a powerful Mercedes platform. From the very first glance, this motorhome is built to impress, and every detail screams exclusivity. Starting with the exterior, this Mercedes-Benz motorhome is absolutely massive and beautifully sculpted. The front carries a bold Mercedes truck face with a large chrome grille, sharp LED headlights, and an aerodynamic roofline that smoothly flows into the living section. The paint finish is premium pearl white with subtle metallic tones that shine differently in daylight and foggy conditions. What truly sets it apart is the house-style design built into the body. You can see arched windows, decorative panels, and balcony-style details that make it look like a luxury villa on wheels. Multiple axles at the rear not only enhance stability but also highlight how heavy-duty this motorhome really is. Integrated side steps, hidden storage compartments, and electrically deployable stairs add to both convenience and elegance. Everything on the outside feels solid, refined, and extremely well thought out. Moving inside, the interior is where this motorhome turns into a true ultra-luxury home. As you step in, you are welcomed by a spacious living area with high ceilings, premium wood finishes, and soft ambient lighting. The flooring looks like polished marble or high-grade wood, giving the space a warm yet royal feel. Plush sofas, designer seating, and a large entertainment setup with a widescreen TV make the lounge area perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. Large panoramic windows allow plenty of natural light, making the interior feel open and airy despite being a vehicle. The kitchen area is nothing short of a luxury apartment kitchen. You get high-end appliances, including a built-in oven, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and ample storage cabinets finished in premium materials. The countertops look like real stone, and the layout is designed for both comfort and practicality. Moving further, the dining space is elegant and comfortable, suitable for long journeys without compromising on lifestyle. The bedroom section feels like a five-star hotel suite. A large king-size bed, soft lighting, premium upholstery, and built-in wardrobes make it incredibly comfortable. There's enough space to move around freely, and the sound insulation ensures a peaceful environment even when parked in busy areas. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a luxury shower, modern sink, high-quality fittings, and a toilet system designed for long-distance travel. Everything inside feels expensive, calm, and extremely well-finished. Now let's talk about performance. This 2026 Mercedes-Benz motorhome is built on a powerful heavy-duty Mercedes truck chassis, designed to handle massive weight without sacrificing stability. Under the hood, you can expect a large diesel engine producing strong torque, making highway cruising smooth and effortless. Despite its size, the motorhome is engineered to deliver a surprisingly comfortable driving experience, with advanced suspension systems, adaptive dampers, and multiple driving modes. Mercedes safety technology is fully integrated, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems. This ensures that even such a massive luxury vehicle feels safe and confident on long journeys. Finally, let's talk about pricing. This is not a motorhome for everyone. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz ultra-luxury motorhome is expected to come with a price tag that easily enters the multi-million-dollar range, depending on customization. Buyers can personalize interiors, materials, technology packages, and even layout designs. This motorhome is targeted at ultra-high net worth individuals, luxury travelers, celebrities, and business owners who want the comfort of a luxury mansion wherever they go. In conclusion, this 2026 Mercedes-Benz motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It combines the engineering excellence of Mercedes-Benz with unmatched luxury, comfort, and presence. If you ever dreamed of traveling the world without leaving the comfort of a high-end home, this motorhome makes that dream a reality. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and share MH Car Review for more exclusive luxury vehicle content.